So we are going to make, for round number 7, 1 single crochet, and then we make a half double in the next, a double in the next, a half double in the next, and then a single crochet in the next, half double in the next, double, again a half double, always 1 stitch in every stitch, then a single crochet, then a half double, double, half double, and now then we repeated this 3 times. At the end we make 1 single crochet, 1 half double, 1 double, 1 double, 1 half double, and then finally a slip stitch. So, and now we finished this little stalk and leaf part. Looks like a little cute head. I'm gonna remove my stitch marker and cut the yarn, but we leave a little bit longer yarn end because we still have to sew this to the eggplant. So I pulled through the loop here, and now we are gonna place this onto the eggplant. Doesn't matter in which direction. Then you take your blunt needle. You can also fixate everything with some pin needles, but I'm not doing that. So you can check now, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, around round 5, I think. Before the end, you are going to sew this on with the mattress stitch. So I stitched over here, then I go from inside out into the next stitch, and then from this direction into the next stitch, and then again a little bit parallel into the eggplant, and every few stitches you can pull tight. So now we go back in here where we just came out. We don't skip anything. And this is the mattress sewing stitch. Here you can see the green yarn. There we go in parallel. Then into the green part again, up, and then back down. Then again we check where's our green yarn, go parallel, and then you can from time to time pull tight, and then the stitches are pretty much invisible, and you have this nice edge here. So here's a nice edge. If you have a double crochet spot from the green part here, you can also stitch a little bit further down, stretch everything out a little bit to have more of a little spike. You have to get a feeling a little bit for this technique and learn where to go in, develop an eye for how it looks good. See, I created a little spike here. Always be a little bit careful with your sewing thread, because when you pull it through many times, it can break a little bit when you're too rough, so always be a little bit gentle. Some yarns, they also rip easily when you pull them too strong. So I'm almost at the end here. Okay, and now you can just hide your yarn end. Cut the yarn off, and the eggplant is finished. And now we can also add a keychain, but for this you will need some pliers. Yeah, let me get them. So I'm taking this ring part and try to open it just a little bit. And now we thread this through the, like underneath the first round, all the way through like this, and then we bend it close, as neat as possible. So, and then the opening, I would recommend to turn it inside here, and then you have attached your keychain. Isn't that perfect? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and make your little eggplant keychain. I think it's very funny, and yeah, thank you for watching.